Okay, this is 4K 60. I'm using my cheap headphones, but let me just unplug that. So, give me this. Ugh. So you can see the difference. I don't know what's better, headphones or no headphones. But sorry for the crappy video thing, but just look at the difference. 2 months, Saturday, June. That's June. And then this is gonna be the new one. And this is Merv 6. We should have Merv 4 or Merv 4 or Merv fucking 3 or whatever. Look at all this shit here. Fuck! And that faces furnace. Furnace fan is right here. Open up. Come on. There we go. You heard that? Unplug. And I gotta put this back. Once I put this back, I gotta put this piece of tape back because it will whistle and it's annoying as hell. So yeah. Good for another 3 months. Anyways, that's it for now. Goodbye. 4K 60. Goodbye.